Hello everybody, it's Pandy here, and this is the start of a 5 or 4, I can't really remember, week vacation. I just got all my stuff packed for my first trip, which is camping, and I'm gonna vlog it. This vlog is gonna be separated into a lot of parts, and sorry you haven't been seeing me the last couple weeks. That's because I've been opposite of working. I've been vacationing, I guess. I've been vacationing, and I'm finally ready to show you what I've been doing. So I hope that this vlog will go up. This is vlog part 1 of vacation, and yeah, I'll see you on the drive out, I guess. Hello. So right now I just took a step on the side of the road so I could vlog that I am currently driving to the mountains for camping. Yeah. And once I get there, I'm gonna vlog every single day. And I'm gonna go hiking. There's a waterfall I wanna see. And everything's gonna be great. So, yeah. Bye. So, hey guys. I'm at the campsite now. And I am setting up, so I'm going to be vlogging the first night. I'll see you then. Bye. So, if you can't tell, I'm in the tent now. I'm using a selfie stick. My arm's not that long. Don't freak out. So, the night's about to come, so I'm gonna get into my sleeping bag, and then I'm gonna be vlogging if I stay up all night, because I probably will. That usually happens with camping. Hi, so I just got in my sleeping bag, and right now I am currently trying to go to sleep, and the light is still out, which is not very good, but I'm trying over here. So, I'll see you whenever I see you. So I've been trying to fall asleep for a while now, and it's really not working. So I'm just gonna lie here and maybe read a book. So I'll see you in the morning, hopefully. Good night, I hope. So it's the next morning, and I'm on a hike. Yeah. Okay, just finished eating lunch, and I have this, 1 second. I have this beautiful pond in front of me, and I just finished eating lunch, so now I'm gonna head back. Okay. Oof. This selfie stick is hard to control. Hi, I'm roasting marshmallows right now, and it's like super fun. I'm about to go to bed, so I'll see you in my tent. Okay, so I am in my sleeping bag, as you just saw by those selfie time pics. I'm about to go to sleep. Wish me luck. Good night. Good morning, I guess. I can hear the birds chirping. I'm tired, but I have stuff to do. So, see are doing. So hey, I just got to the waterfall, and isn't it amazing? And right now I am barbecuing. Yes, I brought a barbecue all the way out here. Okay, there was already one out here. I'm just using it. I did bring the meats though. After I'm done eating, I'm going to drive down to San Francisco, but you'll have to wait for the next vlog for that. Anyway, I'll see you guys later, and bye-bye!